All right, Dennis, uneasy lies the head that wears a crown, and the crown, for proverbially, is really as a result of the man who is a Chancellor of the Exchequer in German terms. The JFF, including yourself, face the heat of the girls not getting monies, the senior girls. Now we understand that the Reggae Girlz have all gotten their money except those who are helping the qualifiers. Can you shed some light on it?
Yeah, so all of them have, except for those, the ones who are in the World Cup, have got their money. In fact, even before today, 9 of them were already fully paid, right, before today. So we just paid the remaining 14 today. So we're pleased that it has happened. It's something that we have wanted to happen. You know, when FIFA saw the situation that was happening, FIFA jumped in and said, okay, you know, want to help our member association. So we are not going to finalize all the money that's going to be paid to you, but we're going to give you the money that you need to pay off the monies contracted to the girls. So we're happy that that has been paid now. In terms of the other girls, we have that money also, and we are now going through the process of processing those, and by early next week we will have all of that. And we have to get all the names right and everything, which is what we're working on.
So as far as we know, then the impasse should be over, or is closer to the end as it regards the payment of the money.
Yeah, well, as regards the payment of the money, it's over now, because we would have paid off everything. Because remember, it was only the girls who actually went to the World Cup that we had an issue with. So all of that would have been paid off. And as I said, 9 of them were paid off even before today. So that should be over. And there were only 3 points that were written to us about. That was one. The other one had to do with knowing the names of the support staff before they made themselves available. And also the travel thing.